Hello students, exercise 9.1, question number 11. Question is, a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Okay, first draw the diagram. TV tower vertically. So let AB be the TV tower, stands vertically, this is 90 degree, and from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower, suppose this is any point C, from a point on the other bank, this point C, directly opposite to the tower. Okay, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower. So from C point to A point, join AC. C point to A point, this is top of the tower is 60 degree, this angle is 60 degree. Okay, from the another point 20 meter away from this point. So from this to 20 meter, suppose this point, this is D and this is 20 meter. 20 meter. On the line joining this point to the foot of the tower. Okay, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. So from D point to top of the tower, that is join DA. This angle is 30 degree. Top of the tower. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Suppose this is x meter, this is width of the canal, and height of the tower, suppose h meter, height of the tower, this is tower. Okay, so let AB taken h meter be the height of the tower, and let BC equal to x meter be the length, or that is, it is given here question, width of the canal. Okay, so given CD, that is DC equal to 20 meter, and angle ACB equal to 60 degree, and angle ADB equal to 30 degree. Okay. In right triangle ABC. ABC, AB by BC, that is perpendicular by base tan 60. In triangle ABC, angle is 60 degree. So AB is h meter and BC is x and tan 60 is √3. So cross multiply, h is equal to x √3. This is number 1. The number 1, can in right triangle ABD, AB by BD, perpendicular by base equal to tan 30 degree. In triangle ABD, angle is 30. So AB is h and BD is total length BD x plus 20. Tan 30 1 by √3. So cross multiply, h √3 equal to x plus 20. So h is equal to x plus 20 by √3. This is number 2. Now from 1 and 2, we get x √3 equal to x plus 20 by √3. X √3 equal to x plus 20 by √3, because h equal to equation 1 and equation 2 also h equal to. So cross multiply, √3 into √3 x 3 into x 3x. So 3x. √3 into √3 3x equal to x plus 20. So 3x minus x equal to 20. 2x equal to 20. X equal to 10 meter. X equal to 10 meter. Now this value of x in equation 1. So from 1, h equal to x √3, x is 10, so 10 √3 h. This meter. So h means height of the tower, that is 10 √3 meter. So hence height of the tower is height of the tower is 10 √3 meter. Height of the tower is 10 √3 meter, and of the canal is 10 meter. So answer is 10 √3 meter and 10 meter. So the answer. Thank you.